Hey y'all, you're watching Portie's Garage. With any project car, there's a lot of behind the scenes work, brainstorming, trial and error, just kind of general research. Usually leave that out of the videos, but I wanted to show you a tip I picked up. Really helps if you're ever trying to visualize what a new set of wheels would look like on your project car. Let's check it out. Super easy, no paid apps, no AI, no nothing, just using iOS and a little bit of picture taking prowess. First step, going to be getting a picture of the car we want to test out some new wheels on. I'm going to use my F-150 for example. It's right in the street over here. Basically what you want to do, get nice and down low, as centered in the car as possible. You want the wheels to be as flat as possible because we're just going to be taking a snip of a, easy product picture. If we're at an angle, it'll look weird. We're just trying to get everything nice and plumb. There we go. I think that ought to work. All right. So now that we have the picture of our vehicle, what we're going to need to do is find the wheels that we're thinking about swapping on here, or at least getting a look at to make sure we don't spend $1,000 and then realize we don't like them. So we can go over to the internet here and just look up a picture of a wheel that you're interested in. For me, I've always liked these little, round aluminum mags with the gunmetal in here. So what we're going to do, just look at it, save it to your photos. Now we'll go into our photos. Here we have our wheel. Now what we're going to want to do is force touch on the wheel itself. And we're going to see an option to add sticker. Go ahead and add a sticker. Bam, right like that. So now we can go back to our vehicle. Click this little slider button here at the bottom. The little marker paintbrush thing right here to mark up. I'm going to turn the live photo off. That's totally okay. And now we hit this plus here. Add sticker, and throw on the sticker of our wheel that we're looking at. The hardest part about this is getting it centered on your wheel and not getting it too big or too small. So now we got one. We're going to hit this little plus button right here to duplicate it. Carry it onto the back wheel. Done and done. So there we go. Kind of just a little visualization, there's a little bit of white inside the spaces of the holes. Not ideal, but what are you gonna do? Another one we can try here. Let's duplicate this. So now if I wanted to try a different wheel here, like maybe, I really want to ball out here and throw some navigator wheels on. Same lug pattern and everything. Same process here. Just go ahead, save the picture to photos, find your picture. Again, force touch the wheel, add sticker. Bam, we got a sticker. Now go back to your picture of your truck. Sliders at the bottom, the pencil mark for markup. First, I'm going to delete these old ones. Add sticker. Navigator wheels here. And now these navigator wheels, these are 21s, and on my truck I have 20, so I'm going to try and make them just a little bit bigger than my current wheels to really try to send the effect home. Duplicate that, slide it onto the back. And there you go. That's something that my truck would look like if I had navigator wheels on it. And there we go. Now we got an idea of what a couple different wheels would look like on my F-150. Really helps me decide. A lot of times I'll start thinking something looks cool in my head, and then in all practicality, it ends up looking nothing like I expected. So this helps give you a little sneak peek. Not perfect, but it's better than nothing. Couple things here. One, you can do this with literally any car and any wheel. I think I've done this with just about every car that I've ever owned. Mustang, Corvair, my Lincoln, F-150. I'm even trying to do it with the Cadillac, but we're getting there. Another thing to remember, really make sure you're doing your best to keep the images of the wheel straight on. You want a perfect circle for the wheel in your picture you're adding, and a perfect circle of the wheel, or as close as you can get in the vehicle that you are showing. Second thing, third thing, whatever we're on, be mindful of the wheel size. It always helps to know what the actual size of the wheel on your vehicle is and the one you're thinking about replacing it with. So if you've got 17s and you're looking at an 18-inch wheel, size that up a little bit. If it's a little bit smaller, you might have to get the black pen out, paint over your wheel and then put it in, make it a little bit smaller. And then lastly here, there's nothing wrong with adding a little touch up after. So if you take a look back at the aluminum mags I tried out on my F-150, you could see in the white spaces in the circles, it just was white and it looked weird. So went back to the markup, threw a black pen on there, and I colored in the circles. Really helps get a much better visualization of what it would really look like on the truck. So hey, if you like what you saw, hit us with a like and subscribe. We got plenty more content like this coming, and thanks for watching.